You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, a very interesting name from Italian. It means a patisserie, the pastry shop where you buy your pastries in Italy. So you probably know a shop in New York or elsewhere called that way. Let's break down how it is said in Italian and how you can easily say it in English as well. Pasticceria. Pasticceria. Yes, double C before an E is pronounced like CH, okay? So a C before an E is CH in Italian. And because it's double C, you want to stress on that ch sound. Pasticceria. Pasticceria is how it is said in Italian. But you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly. It's fine. You can say it as pasticceria. Pasticceria, okay? Patisserie or pastry in Italian. Pasticceria. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.